Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to our channel with Kit and Dre. Today, we're gonna cook orange chicken. Amigo Kit!
Oh.
Ay, nandiyan ka pala.
So, why orange chicken? It's been a long overdue project with our friend Joel Gonzaga. So, as requested, here's the dish and our friend Dre here will introduce you to our ingredients. So, Dre, ano ba yung ingredients na gagamitin natin for today?
Oh yes, Amigo Kit. Siyempre, yung chicken. Pero ang ginagamit namin na part ay yung breast at saka wings. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng orange.
Okay, so aside from the orange and the chicken, we're also gonna need some flour, sesame oil, some cornstarch, black pepper, ginger, it's been grated, finely chopped garlic, sesame seeds, salt, sugar, chili flakes, and also cooking oil. Okay, so we're gonna make our liquid batter for the chicken. Right, guys, so paano ba gawin yan?
So, imimix po natin to yung
Cornstarch.
Tapos yung flour. Natin yung flour. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Hindi ko Kit?
Okay lang.
Tapos, maglagay tayo ng asin. Pero kaunti lang hindi masyado kasi baka kuwan siya pala.
Alright, so
Okay.
not too much salt. And then we're gonna put in some water. Mix it well.
Mix lang muna natin to. Then, we're gonna put some water. Pero pag lagay natin ng water, dandahan lang po kasi baka maraming water, hindi na ito maging malagkit.
Okay, so just the right amount of consistency, not too thick and not too light. So
Kunin
just
talaga
mix
natin
it
yung
well.
parang ice cream, parang pinta. Yung texture ng ating
With
butter.
butter. Yep. Still need some water. Okay,
Okay. So guys, ito na po yung ginagawa naming butter. Ito na po ay okay na po yung consistency ng butter natin.
Not
So,
too light, not too thick.
yeah.
Yung tamang-tama lang.
Guys, magtitimpla na po tayo ng ating chicken. Ito po ay lang muna tayo sa ating marination, okay?
Right, so we're gonna squeeze that juice out of the orange.
Mahirap talaga pag walang squeezer. Migo Kit, sakit sa kamay. Ay, nako.
Alright, so we're gonna use like 2 oranges to coat all of our chicken.
Gagawa po tayo ng marination. At saka, mamarinate lang natin ng mga 30 minutes siguro. So, lalagyan na po natin yung asin. Tapos, yung pepper. Tsaka yung ito po pala yung paprika para sa ating marination. Muntik lang nakalimutan to
Right, so for an additional taste and heat, we're gonna add some Spanish paprika. Okay?
So ano lang natin para
Mix it
matunaw,
well.
matunaw yung lahat ng mga ingredients.
Then we're gonna pour it over to our
So,
chicken.
then pagkatapos to, ilalagyan natin yung chicken. Ito yung marination ng chicken. Okay? So, I will
Just
start
mix
to
it
mash
well.
it.
So once it's been mixed very well, we're just gonna let it sit and let it marinate for like 30 minutes.
Yes, Migo Kit. Tapos, while we marinate this chicken, we're gonna put some oil in our pan para ma-preheat na tayo.
Okay, so we're gonna cook our chicken with our wet butter mix.
Yeah.
After it's been marinated, we'll mix it with our butter mix and it's gonna be ready for frying.
Yeah.
Okay, just mix it well. Give it a good stir.
Dapat yung butter mo talaga parang sakto lang yung ano ha. Yung consistency talaga ng butter mo dapat sakto-sakto kasi pag mali lahat yung gawa mo, di ba? Okay. So guys, we're gonna cook the chicken now because mainit na to yung ating mantika. So, this is one by one. Ito talaga ang tamang paggawa ng orange chicken. So guys, while nagpiprito po tayo ngayon, gagawa po tayo ng sauce ng ating orange chicken. Okay? Ito po yung pinigaan natin na orange. Ito po. Maglagay po tayo ng chili powder, garlic. Pero mas mabuti siguro guys kung na-mash talaga. Pero ito kasi hindi na ano eh. Mas mabuti pag na-mash talaga. Tapos ito yung ginger. Brown sugar. Then mix lang po natin to.
Okay, so naluto na yung chicken natin. Alisin na natin sa mantika. Then after this, magpe-prepare tayo ng kanyang orange glaze. Right, so tapusin na natin to, then magpe-prepare tayo ng orange glaze. Okay?
So, right guys, we're gonna put some, we're gonna make a sauce for our orange chicken. Papainitin lang muna natin. Guys, once nabukal na yung ating mixture, lalagay na natin yung chicken. So, tapos, maglagay pa tayo ng chicken kit. Naging sabaw na ito eh. Okay. Maglagay po tayo ng sesame oil. Kaunti lang for flavor, mabango. At na sesame seeds.
Alright, so for an added crunch, we add some sesame seeds.
Okay. So guys, ito na po yung ating ano. Tapos na po. Right guys, ito na po ang aming finished product na orange chicken.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us today. That's all. And if you guys have any comments or suggestions, please leave that on our comment sections below. And please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Alright, thank you so much. See you on our next video. And Joel, this one's for you.
Oh, anak kaya mo Migo ah.
Behind the scenes. And
Behind
also
ko, DJ.
behind.
Behind ko, DJ.
Literally behind.